Listen, guys, I don't know why human beings are just misbehaving every day, allowing devilish attitudes to intrude, allowing devils to control them. Now, according to the news, on the 19th day of March 2026, an Hausa lady with two men in army uniform went to Apapame market at Enugu to do what? To purchase bets for their early celebration. Now, what happened? They met a girl that sells chicken. They told the girl to unalive 640 bets for the age celebration. So while the girl was doing that, they now pleaded with the girl to call POS for them, that they want to withdraw 500,000 naira, that they do not have cash. They want to withdraw 500,000 naira to complete all they have to purchase more things. So why coming to pay you for your for the best that you have on life for them? You will not sum everything will now be paid to you. She never knew that those people are 419. 419. You guys have the effort to command her with juju to unalive 640 bets. Now let us even talk about the price of bets at the market. One bet, a bet, it's about 16,000. In some places, 12,000. Then times it by 640. But you still get the mind, command them with juju. Make she go bring 500,000 naira from the POS person for you. You people are just wicked. You people are just wicked. People are just wicked. People are just wicked.